was a new word that we heard, and the moment it got extended, all of us got extremely anxious and started thinking about how are we going to conduct the classes. For class 9 and 10 especially, because April is the most crucial month for them. We started looking for options to conduct online classes, and that is how the journey of our online class began.
All this preparation is of no use. I don't have connectivity at my house.
Online classes? Oh no! I don't even have a laptop.
Oh, I have a laptop, but I don't know how to use it. Maybe I'll call the computer teachers.
I found old videos, but how do I share? Oh God, how do I find all these symbols and how to draw these diagrams?
और फिर हमारी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस शुरू हुई। पहले तो मैंने एक साधारण सा लेक्चर ले लिया, लेकिन जब मैंने दूसरों को स्क्रीन शेयर करते हुए देखा तो मेरे मन में भी यह इच्छा हुई कि मैं भी कुछ नया करूं।
The last week of March, my world came to a standstill, and luckily, this period took me to the new challenge of online teaching.
त्यावेळी सर्वप्रथम मॅमने ऑनलाईन क्लासेस या संदर्भात सांगितलं. त्यावेळी थोडं मनावर दडपण आलं, थोडी भीती वाटली, पण विद्यार्थ्यांच्या भल्याकरता आपण शिकलंच पाहिजे म्हणून असाध्यही मी साध्य करण्याचं ठरवलं आणि मॅमच्या प्रोत्साहनातून व माझ्या कुटुंबियांच्या मदतीने मी हे सहज साध्य करू शकले.
I did social science, which seems to be mostly boring subject for almost all the children in the real classroom. But the challenge was that I need to teach it online.
As a teacher who is used to interacting with a class full of children directly, it was a huge challenge for me to use the mouse instead of the chalk and interact with my students in
I'm surprised at how efficiently I'm using Zoom.
Call us anytime, any day. We are there to help you. We have got this. We will win together.
I am Sankeet from class 10. As we all know that due to lockdown, we all were learning in online classes conducted by our school on Zoom. As a student, I thought that online learning would be much difficult, but it was much easier than I thought.
Even during the lockdown, our learning didn't stop. Our teachers put in a lot of efforts and started the online classes. They worked around the clock to take the whole learning experience to the next level. Their unhindered passion for teaching bore sweet fruits as the online classes turned out to be superb.
I'd really like to applaud every member of the Laurentian team who took this lockdown as an opportunity to explore, to learn and to grow. I think the success of the online classes speaks volumes of your dedication and your sincerity. Personally, I really believe that what we would have achieved in a year or two, you've done in a week or two. Kudos to each one for not giving up and not giving in and being the invincible Laurentian. Thank you so much.
School, college and institutions have been closed since mid of March and you're running online classes. I want to convey my deep appreciation for all those who are running these classes. I've been observing these classes and I find amount of pains, efforts and the coordination which is taken in each and every class preparation has been really fantastic, absolutely outstanding. This was one of the best substitute we could have provided under these circumstances where children are benefited to the maximum. You covered a portion and I think each and every child has assimilated it to the most. As I foresee, another few months, school, college is not going to open and you may have to resort to the same classes which you've been running now. And I'm sure you will run these classes as you have run till now and even better. I wish you all the best.
Good morning. In the difficult times of the pandemic and the lockdown, when everything was completely shut down, the Laurentians proved themselves once again. They successfully turned live classes into online classes just to ensure that every child constructively uses his time academically as well as activity-wise. I would like to say a very big thank you to each member of my team for selflessly working from 7 to 7. From the bottom of my heart, immense gratitude to my Laurentian team members for their invincible spirit, for that undefeatable attitude, for taking on the challenge and emerging victorious. Kudos to my Laurentian team and kudos to my ever supportive parents. Thank you.